Okay, so I'm pretty much done with this shotgun. I just have to repaint certain parts, like this stock right here. And so yeah, let me have this back. You can go away now. So yeah, um, nothing special, just a pump action shotgun. It's got a 20mm rail, and oh, and this stock is actually detachable. I haven't made a retainer pin yet, but what I'm gonna do is drill a hole straight through it, and put a pin through it. So it's detachable stock. So you can put just a little magnum pistol grip, whatever you want to call it, or a stock with a pistol grip. So yeah, nothing really special. Holds 7 rounds in the magazine and 1 in the chamber, so a total of 8. And I'm still, messing around with the inners and function. Trigger, hammer, carrier, not much of a problem. Ejection is kind of weird right now, so hopefully it'll work out fine right now. So let me load it. These are empty shells and 1 in the chamber. So yeah, like I said, yeah, some of the shells have issues, some don't, so yeah, it just depends on the shells, I guess. But it's pretty nice. Works smoother than I thought. The triggers work, disconnected work, and safety also works. It's very strong safety, I like it. And probably make a video on disassembly soon, so stay tuned.